Alright, what's going on, guys? Good morning. We have a car show we're going to a little later. Right now I'm about to head out, run a couple errands, drop off a couple packages. Anyway, someone was talking to me about, dream cars and goals. So people that you want to hang around with, people you want to associate with, people that'll motivate you, people that will treat you normal. People that have nice things in life that are stuck up or that just think they're better than everybody. They're not. They're just like everybody else. They just have something else that you want. It doesn't matter what you have in life. It matters on how you use the things that you have in life. Like a few months ago, I didn't have a GTR, I had a BMW. And my goal in life was to inspire people, to make people reach their goals and dreams in life. And having that wasn't gonna help me. So I ended up getting my dream car that I've always wanted. And now that's my goal again, is to motivate people and help people reach their goals in life. Because what's the point of being stuck up and having something? You want to motivate people. You always want people to be happy. Just make people reach their goals. That's it. Alright guys, I'll catch you later.
Retribution against the system. Taking a stand, this wasn't enough. We the people expect a time of the change that works for us. Living in a fantasy, taking everything away from me.
What's going on, guys? We're out here, as you can see, all the kids, all the cars. I guess it's a carnival. Oh good, this guy.
Hi. See ya.
So we're hanging out with the kids, friends as well, food. He's too fat for the vlog. That diet ain't working. Diet's not working.
Surely not. 6 months pregnant.
With triplets.
Quadruplets.
Alright guys, I'll see you guys later on the way out. I'll video some of the cars. Alright, so we're still out here. And we're out here for the kids.
And I guess I'm a kid.
As you can see, he did the beard.
Oh, you get the eyebrows.
And the eyebrows. So he don't have very much hair on his head.
Oh.
No. Nah, so he did it that way. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. But we're still out here with the guys. As you can see, right over here, we got cars this way, and then cars that way. As you can see over there in the background. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. This thing is sick. Wow, that thing is crazy loud. Has a Borla exhaust, Borla headers, right?
Yeah.
No cats, I don't think.
No, he's cat.
Is it cats?
Yeah.
Wow. I think it's crazy. What's going on, guys? So I'm on my way home now. Just got done with the car show. Super stoked to kind of see the kids' faces and the reactions to all the cars. It's really great to hang out with people and get to meet new people. A few kids asked me like, "Oh, dude, what's your YouTube?" And I said, "All right, cool. You know, I can inspire like a younger crowd, which is awesome." And that's, you know, what I want to do. I want to inspire younger guys, you know, guys, girls, whatever, like a younger crowd of people, you know, to reach their dreams, reach their goals. And the sky's the limit, because it really is. I mean, whatever you set your mind to, you can get it done. And it's not that you can, it's when you get that right mindset and you're really, like, you're hustling, you will get it done. And that's what you need to keep in mind. But all right, guys, so I'll go ahead and see you guys tomorrow. I'm heading home now, like I said. Go home, make some dinner. But, all right, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another day. Catch you guys later.